guys, the garage. I am absolutely excited. I'm hyped. It's expensive, but it's fine. So I finally got a garage at my apartment. Right now we just have, or I just have the two carports, which you guys might have seen in previous videos, if I put the G in it. But now finally have my own garage. And this has enough space that I'll be able to work on the Infiniti now. Because what I was doing was just taking my car back to my parents' house, obviously, and working on it there. However, since they've been doing some kind of cleaning out and stuff, the garage space that I used to take up is now filled. So I can't park in the garage, leaving me to work on the car out in the driveway, which during any type of weather is not ideal. So, have a garage. Now I'm gonna bring all my tools. I'm gonna spend the next few days bringing everything. I'm gonna spend the next few days bringing everything over here to the apartment, and finally get back on a regular schedule of uploading car videos, working on the car, installing parts, more vlogs, stuff like that. So I'm excited. This has definitely brought my motivation and energy back into wanting to work on the car. And I still have a slight exhaust leak in the rear. You guys might be able to hear that in that exhaust clip of me backing up. You might be able to hear it. It's towards the rear end of it. My V-band, I think, is messed up. I have to get a new one of those. So once I do that, if that doesn't fix it, I might just... The leak is like this big. It's coming out the very bottom of the V-band connection. It's not very big, so I might just... I don't know, maybe use JB weld or something and just cover the little, not crack, but just to fill that gap in. I might just use some JB weld, or I have some high temp tape that I use for my HVAC stuff. It's high temperature, holds up to like 400 degrees and everything. So I might use that tape and just kind of tape that bottom part to get rid of that exhaust leak, or at least most of it, because the exhaust still sounds great, don't get me wrong. I still love it. The drone, like I said, the drone is like half of what it was. But when I turn my car off, you can hear that like exhaust leak sound, which I think you guys know what I'm talking about. So, and then when I'm driving it, I can kind of make it out too and hear it. So, but long story short, I have a garage. I'll be working on the car all winter. I'll be able to just go right downstairs because the garage is literally right below me, so it's perfect. We're gonna be welding shit, messing around with my coilovers some more. We're gonna do a lot, guys. So I'm excited, and stay tuned for the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Probably won't be until this weekend when I get everything over here and I can actually start working on the car. So, because I do work, so. Starting next week, probably on Monday, will be the first video. So I'll see you guys then. Deuces. Didn't even get to cross.